Look at that mess. All that rust liquid is coming off my cargo carrier. So I gotta fix that. See where it's rusting there on the edges? Water's getting in there and it's dripping out. If I don't fix it, it's gonna rust from the inside out. Fall apart on me. See these edges right there? Gotta seal all these edges up. All them joints. See right there, it's all rusted right there. It's on both sides. Oh, that rust up in there. There's that rust in there. I just got it drying out right now. Got some silicone. Gonna fill these open edges up with it. And then I got some Rust-Oleum paint to go over it and seal all these joints so water stop getting in there and rusting it out from the inside out. So I'll try and film it as I go. Well, I put some of this on the cargo carrier where the rust spots were. Yep. And then as soon as it gets dry, I'll use the caulk, silicone caulk and paint to finish it up. Okay, I got it all siliconed up with this paintable silicone. Got my holes. Got my holes. The holes are all done. And then on these crossbars, see where I got that little line on the ends? That was open, so they're all sealed now. So I just gotta let it sit for a bit, and then I can paint it. Woohoo! No more rust. All right. Okay, got it painted. Lines right there. It's all painted. It's all painted. All painted. I'm just gonna let it dry. I didn't do those holes because that's where the bolts go to hold it together. So didn't need to. And I used this right here. So I'm gonna let it dry and do another coat, and then I'll put it together tomorrow. All right, that's it. Well, it's all ready to get put back together. I went back in there and closed all them holes. There were little gaps in there. So if you saw those are fixed. So, ready to put her together. There's the long piece there. Put it together, and then I can use the bolts, and then I can put my tools away. finished. Woo-hoo. It's all back together. All right, that's another project down.